Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be reviewing the switchblade that I got for 13 bucks. Hold on, let me spit out my gum. It says stainless steel knife. That's what it says. High grade stainless steel knife made in China. Is that already there? Anyway, made in China is really small right there. Let me make that a little more focus. Kind of really the crop on it. Alright. It says the same thing on the same side except for minus the made in China part. And then it says Elite Ideas. $13.99. Switchblade with light. $2.30. It has a barcode. So that's what it looks like. So 2.5 inches. What it said in case anyway. And yeah, you do have to be 18 or older to buy it. How did I get it? My dad. Like it's on lock right now, so push the button, it ain't doing anything. Anyway, first the light. Pull it out. Really strong. Like, might not be able to see it on the camera, but if you were to, it's making it lag. Alright. Thank you. Now it's black and what the heck? This camera has problems. I need a new one. I'm getting a check in a couple weeks anyway. So yeah, here's the lock on the side right here. Right, up is lock, down is unlock, and clip this button in. That's what the blade looks like. Nice handle. I'm sorry about the little lag there. It might not be lag, but I don't know, on your computer. The ruler just fell. That was propping the camera up. My bad. Oh yeah. Go to Elite Ideas Trading in Emerald Square Mall. First floor, right when you walk in the main entrance, take a right. It's like the second or third store on the right. Yeah, you can buy these if you're 18 or older. I got my friend Andy. My friend's brother. Then he bought me that big sword, big knife that you saw in the last video. If you look, the knife concealment video. I like this design in the back right here. So you can put it in. It's more like a grip like that. So it's not really made to carve sticks. If you get this, I recommend touching it up, tightening all the screws, because when I went to carve a stick, this blade was like out here. This blade was like out here. When I closed it, it wouldn't close. So you had to tighten the screw. Ow, the thing has a little bit of kickback on it. If I were to hold it loose, it would go like that. And anyway, yeah, it's pretty fast. And what I like to do is put a delay on it, hold the button down, and slide your finger off to the side. Yeah, it's actually really fun to play with, you know. Just a toy, you know, that's wicked easy to just, like, see this element element coat. If you go like this, this is where I kind of conceal my eyes. Right on the inside, over here. I'm gonna go down. It's pocket. That right there. That's it. Comment, rate, subscribe.